Hello, folks! Thanks for stopping by. Our journey begins just north of Uptown Sedona, where the town's unique charm and artistic flair are evident in every corner. Sedona was named after Sedona Arabella Miller Schnebly, the wife of the town's first postmaster, known for her hospitality and lively personality. As we head north on 89A, we enter the breathtaking Oak Creek Canyon. This 12-mile-long river gorge is often compared to the Grand Canyon. Albeit on a smaller scale, Oak Creek, a tributary of the Verde River, is renowned for its clear, cool waters that provide a refreshing contrast to the surrounding desert. Oak Creek Canyon is not just a visual delight, but also a geological wonder. It was formed over millions of years through the erosive power of Oak Creek. This area is a popular spot for hiking, fishing, and swimming, offering numerous trails and recreational opportunities. Once we reach our turnaround point, we'll head back south along 89A, where Oak Creek will be on our left. The canyon's towering cliffs and lush vegetation provide a stunning backdrop, making this one of the most scenic drives in the country. Sedona's red rocks are more than just a beautiful landscape. These formations are considered sacred by Native American tribes and are believed to emit powerful energy visitors from around the world come to experience. The spiritual vortex is believed to promote healing and meditation. Continuing south, we pass through Uptown and head towards West Sedona. This part of town is known for its residential neighborhoods, offering a quieter, more laid-back vibe compared to the bustling Uptown area. West Sedona is home to a variety of local businesses, schools, and community centers. It's a great place to live, offering easy access to both urban amenities and the natural beauty of Sedona. As our journey comes to an end soon, we hope you have enjoyed this Hyper-Lapse adventure along Highway 89A. Sedona is a place where nature, history, and culture intertwine, creating an unforgettable experience for all who visit. For more stunning journeys and travel adventures, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.